Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share files in Proton Drive in 2026. So if you want to send files to someone safely or generate a shareable link, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and log into your Proton Drive account. Once you're inside, you'll see all your stored files and folders. Next, find the file or folder you want to share. Then click on it to open the Options menu. Now click the Share button. This will open sharing settings where you can create a link or invite people directly. Next, choose Create Link. This generates a secure shareable link that you can copy and send to anyone. Now set permissions for your link. You can allow view-only access or restrict downloading depending on your needs. Next, copy the link and share it through email, messaging apps, or any platform you prefer. If you ever want to stop sharing, just go back to the file settings and disable the link instantly. And that's it, you've successfully shared files in Proton Drive. Now you can securely send files to anyone while keeping full control over your data. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.